Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids! Welcome to our awesome learning adventure. Today, we're going to discover the letter T. Are you excited? Let's dive in. Here's the letter T. Isn't it cool? It looks like a tall, straight line with a cross on top. It's a little bit like a plus sign, but standing up tall. That's the letter T. Can you say T? Now, let's color our letter T. We'll use the color red. Red is so bright and bold, just like the letter T. Grab your red crayon and color in the letter T with strong, colorful strokes. Great job! The letter T looks awesome in red. Now let's learn about a fun word that starts with T. Guess what else starts with the letter T? A turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Turtles are slow and steady, and they have a nice, hard shell. Let's color our turtle now. We'll use the color green because turtles are often green. Grab your green crayon and color in the turtle's shell and body. Make it look bright and green. Fantastic! Look at our awesome red letter T and our green turtle. You did an amazing job today. So remember, T is for turtle, and turtles are really cool. Keep practicing your letters and colors, and you'll be a learning superstar. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter T and coloring our turtle. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.